Numbers. In Class 2 we learn about numbers such as ordinal numbers up to 1000 etc. Now we learn further about them and Roman numbers. Roman numbers. We have learnt number and their symbols such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 etc. for quantities and count things. Roman used an alternative way of writing numbers. To represent Roman numbers, we used English alphabets such as I, V, and X etc. to count things and quantities. Reading Roman numbers up to 20. In Roman number system, there are three symbols I, V and X. Placing I, Roman number, maximum up to 3 places on the right side of basic Roman number add in the value of number. For example, placing I on the left side of a basic Roman number maximum up to 1 place given the number just before it. For example, placing Roman number on the right side of X add in its value. For example, even in odd numbers. Even numbers. Any integer that can be divided exactly by 2 is an even number. The last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Odd numbers. Any integer that cannot be divided exactly by 2 is an odd number. The last digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Even and odd numbers. See the following example. Two is even. One is odd. Four is even. Three is odd. Balls in even number can be set in pairs. Ball in odd numbers cannot be set in pair. Place value. In Class 2, we have learned place value of digits up to 3-digit number. Now we shall learn place value of numbers up to 4 and 6-digit numbers. Place value of 4-digit numbers. The greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Place value of its digit R. Place value of 5-digit number. The greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. The number next to or after 9999 is 10,000. It is a 5-digit number. The place value of 5 digits in 10,000 are place value of 5-digit number. The greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Place value of 6-digit number. The next number of greatest 5-digit number is 100,000. It is a 6-digit number. It is read as 100,000. Place value of 6-digit number. Comparing and ordering numbering. We compare the number from the highest place value. For example, 999,999, the highest place value is 100,000, and 89,790, the highest place in it is 10,000. So 999,999 is greater than 89,790. When we compare numbers, we use symbol for greater than and for less than. Number line. A number line is a straight line whose every point represents a number. All the points on the line are equidistant. Each point on the line is marked with a number. We can show numbers, for example, 0 to 30 on a line as the started point is marked with number 0. The amount of distance that a number is away from 0 point determines its value. Hence, a line repeating numbers is called number line.